Alright everybody, we're gonna go for a ride along with the new exhaust and get a good ride on so you can see what it sounds like from inside. Yeah, it took me probably about a good 3 hours or so, 3.5, 4 hours, somewhere around in there, to build out the mid pipe, test fit it, weld everything up, kept test fitting it, make sure it cleared. You know how it goes. So we'll get a little bit of driving here around town with low speed, 25-mile-an-hour type stuff. Any rattles and noises you hear in the cab is probably going to be from all the junk I got on here right now. But, you know, it's slight throttle input, about 40 mile an hour right now. Off throttle, gets quiet, but, you know, pretty much every exhaust is quiet off throttle. Oh, honestly, from inside the cab, it's probably maybe a hair louder than stock. But it's got a much better tone to it, being now that it's equal length. I was gonna go out and actually get a video of how it looks underneath the truck, all installed, and show you all the clearances and everything, but as you can clearly see, it's a bit wet outside, so that ain't gonna happen. Just when I'm getting ready to go, 2 M-Dot trucks. I'm on. Whistle there. I don't know if the camera picked it up on the inside. I believe I got to redo the carbon itself. I might have the pipe set too deep and it's causing turbulence. But it's only noticeable from like 5,000 up. We are cruising here. 60 mile an hour. About 65, set about 1600 RPM. Right about 70-ish here. There's a slight, just a hair bit of ground there. but in all honesty, is far better than the MBRP. It may be just a hair louder than stock. But what makes it more pleasant is the tone overall. It doesn't have that truck V6 sound, which, you know, most V6 trucks nowadays, because of the way they're designed, are pretty much all similar sounding. Here's a hill, so we'll get to hear what it sounds like having to tip in. That's about 2100 RPM. The MBRP would have had to downshift twice there. So I also picked up a lot of, brought back a lot of my low end that I lost going to the MBRP. Drives more like stock, but it also has the added pull from up top that the MBRP also offered from flowing better.